I have released my manifesto, what I am going to do for this Mehboob Nagar Parliament, and also I have condemned whatever the CM is speaking every day in all his meetings. He is abusing me every day. He is using very bad language, which nobody will use on women actually. So as a CM, he is abusing women candidate, and also he is talking, he is using the words which I cannot repeat them. So this is really very bad for a woman candidate, because who has worked for this district development for so many years. My family also, my father, my father-in-law, my husband and me, we have served a lot for this district. I have lost uh, two family members in my life. I lost my father, I lost my brother in Naxal's attack. We have sacrificed a lot for this Mehboob Nagar district. So even though doing nothing for this Mehboob Nagar, Revanth Reddy is speaking every day. He is not able to tell about what he did and what he is going to do. Besides telling what he has to do, what he has done, he is every day targeting D.K. Aruna and talking about bad about Modi ji and D.K. Aruna every day. Today they are very much worried about their win. They know that BJP is going to win the seat. Because of that, every day he is abusing. He is talking very aggressively and using bad words. He and his candidate both of them are using, because they both have come from outside of this constituency, and they have entered into my constituency, and they are challenging me, they are abusing me, they are using all the dirty words. No, so this is really hurting me a lot by listening those words again and again in the media. So whatever in this Mehboob Nagar, people knows everything about D.K. Aruna. They know everything, how D.K. Aruna worked for this district, how D.K. Aruna is helpful for the poor people, how helpful for the farmers, how helpful for the women. Everybody knows about D.K. Aruna here. Now nobody knows about their candidate here. So even last time he contested also. After contesting, after losing, he came now only after this election when he was declared as a candidate of this constituency. So I am requesting whole Mehboob Nagar, my voters, my women, my brothers and sisters. I'm requesting everyone, listen to the words what Revanth Reddy used for your sister in your constituency, this Palamuru Bidda. Your Palamuru Bidda, D.K. Arunamma, is working for your development every minute. So you think twice and vote for the Modi government and here for the development of the Mehboob Nagar, D.K. Aruna. That's it.
You said Revanth Reddy is using abusing language, bad words. Do you file complaint against you?
Yeah, already I have complained. I have complained to EC. Again, I am going to complain on candidate also, their candidate also. Every day he is using very bad words every day every day they're talking about using those words only they are talking, which they should not talk about a woman.
Revanth Reddy says you have contaminated blood. Also, Congress gave everything to D.K. Aruna, but still she went to BJP. Even she earned 1,000 crores when she was in with Congress. This is what Revanth Reddy says.
This is all bullish. This is all because they are going to lose this seat. Because of that, when I was in Congress, they didn't say anything about it. When I'm out of Congress, I'm not in power, okay? TRS was in power. Now these people are in power. No, Aruna, they are not able to digest Aruna's popularity in the district. Because of that, they want to split the ink and everything every time on me. And that talking about my blood, I have Kalti blood in me. Anybody can talk like that about a woman. What they are talking about? They are talking about my father and mother. Kalti blood means what it means. What it means. Do they know what they are talking about? If I say the same thing, any woman in their family, do they tolerate it? This is not right. In politics, this is not right. They should fight. Everybody wants, whoever contesting, everybody will work for their win. It's common, but this is not the language they have to use.
In every election
These are all things, they are acting like anything in this. They have promised 6 guarantees to the people of Telangana. Let them talk about it. How many they have fulfilled? How they are going to fulfill? They are making fool. Telangana लोगों को उल्लू बना रहे हैं. उल्लू बना रहे तेलंगाना लोगों को. उल्लू बना के सीट पे बैठ गए. अभी और एक बार उल्लू बनाने के लिए तैयार हो रहे हैं. जो लोग उल्लू नहीं बन सक रहे तो लोग तड़प रहे आज जीत के लिए. तड़प के मोदी जी के ऊपर बोलते हैं, अरुणा के ऊपर बोलते हैं, जो चाहे वो बात करते हैं. उसका रिप्लाई जो है वोटों से ही उन लोगों को मिलेगा.
Yesterday, Vamshi's wife reacted that you didn't even respect him, even you make the shed tears of the honorable speaker also. What do you want to react to that?
Does she know any politics? Does she know? She might be a candidate's wife. Does she know? They might be writing on the paper and giving to her to talk. That's it. She don't know anything about the politics. I need not talk about her. She's waste talking about her.
Yesterday, Amit Shah is in Telangana and said about reservations. Also, he said that Congress said that if PM Modi comes to power, reservation will be removed. PM Modi has been power for the last 10 years. He utilized the majority removing Article 370, also many things like triple talaq also. So, do you think also Revant Reddy said that Amit Shah is saying like Revant Reddy said that Delhi police is after him. If you make fake videos, what else you can expect? This is what Amit Shah said to Revant Reddy.
रेवंत रेड्डी पूरा जो कर रहे हैं पॉपुलरिटी के लिए कर रहे हैं. अमित शाह जी को भी बोल रहे हैं पूरा इंस्टा में क्या नया नया क्रिएशन करके. तो ही वांट्स पॉपुलरिटी. ऑलवेज ही इज लाइक दैट ओनली. व्हेन आई वाज मिनिस्टर, फॉर हिज पॉपुलरिटी ही यूज्ड टू डू लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स. He used to try lot of things to be in media, to be in a breaking news. It's very common for him. He's not a person to talk about actually. By luck, he has become chief minister. He don't know about the administration. He was not an administrator any time. So he knows how to blackmail people, how to earn money, how to क्या बोलते हैं लैंड को grab karna. He's a land grabber. He knows all that things very well, other than administration.
About Modi's arrival.
मोदी जी का
Modi arrival.
अच्छा, मोदी जी का अभी 10th को टेंटेटिव प्रोग्राम तो आ गया है हमारे पास. अभी ऑफिशियल प्रोग्राम अभी ऑफिशियल से आना बाकी है. टेंटेटिव प्रोग्राम आ गए हैं. वी आर प्रिपरेशंस भी हम लोग प्रिपरेशन कर रहे हैं. 10 तारीख को नारायणपेट में यहाँ सभा होगी. वहाँ से नारायणपेट में सभा होगी. सो नारायणपेट में दोपहर 2 बजे मोदी जी पहुँचेंगे. सो पूरी महबूब नगर पार्लियामेंट से वहाँ लोग पूरा कार्यकर्ता और लोग मोदी जी को देखने के लिए बहुत वेट कर रहे हैं. उनको देखने के लिए, उनकी बात सुनने के लिए. Definitely this seat we are going to win. Definitely this seat is going to BJP. This seat is going to Modi ji.